Hi, we just launched Merlin Crafts. Not only does it bring Claude artifacts to Merlin, but also GPT-4o's graphing capabilities. And not just that, also diagrams. So that would include mind maps, that would include user journey charts, and Gantt charts, and a lot more. But it also does bring the sweet artifact stuff, which is generating code, iterating on code, and generating full-blown working app snippets. Currently, it's on beta, and here's how you can access it as a Merlin user. Go to Labs and turn this on. Once you've done that, also do realize GPT-4o and Claude Sonnet are the only models that support this currently, and we're working day and night to bring live search capabilities to Merlin Crafts as well. So let's go on and try generate a mind map diagram. Diagram for building an AI agents platform for education. So if you're a brainstormer, a researcher, or even a budding entrepreneur, this is probably the thing for you. And here you go, it's done. And what you could possibly do is add it to web or your presentations by exporting it in SVG or PNG. So what next? Let's generate a working app snippet. So generate a working app snippet of a login screen with a C unsee button on Shad CN and React. Let's go on and we'll switch the model to 3.5 Sonnet and ask it to make one. So it writes its code, and you'll see once it's done, you have your working app snippet. So, and it works too. But what you could really enjoy doing is if you know how to code, you could just jump in and edit this code and render it in live to see whether it works or not. So minor changes, you could just make it in Merlin. So what more can it do? Well, it can generate interactive graphs. So I'll say generate an interactive pie graph, all world's continents and their populations. So I'll switch that to GPT-4o, in fact, because that's better at the interactivity part. And shoot it this question. So it writes that code, and let's see what it spits out. Well, it does spit out a pie graph and has accurate numbers as well. I mean, I can hope. So there's Merlin Crafts for you. Please do know that it's still in beta and you could report any sort of feedback by clicking on these buttons here. And please do also note that the more the context is on your bug report, the easier it is for us to fix that particular bug. Thank you so much, and thanks for being part of the Merlin family. Enjoy using crafts. Bye bye.